Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to understand how we can create the start data control in INVT PLC. So first of all we will open our AutoStation software, and here we will delete this old program and we will create a new program for the start data. First of all we will make one input address, an example x0, which is our starting for our start data motor. And secondly, we need a one first output needs to, which is our our main contactor for the start data. We have to be make the three contactors, which is yani y0, y1, y2 look like yani. So this first we will make the simulation of, and after we will be start. And when we press this one x0, our one main contactor needs to be start. An example, it's our y0 is our main contactor, and second one more contactor we need to be start with the parallel connection of this y0 for the star, and third contactor will be for the delta. So how can do? Let's, here we will make this one first y0, and second we will make it here one row downside, and here we will use one timer. We can write TON. Next we have to be give the timer number T0 for example, and here we give the time for an example D0 we can give for the set point of our timer, how much time we like to be after change the contact of our star to delta. And one more line we will be draw it here, sorry, not here, here we will click, and here now here we need one next output our delta, for example, no sorry, star y1 we will choose for the star contact, and one more we will be place it here complete. This our will be delta contactor y2 we can choose. It's okay. So what's the logic? We have to be, when we press this x0, this y0 needs to be go hold. How we can make it hold? We will take it here one close contact. For an example, x1 we will be used for the close contact. Sorry, this is we type LDI. After this will be close contact, and here we will be take one row, and here we can make this one more contact for the x1. No sorry, this we needs for the y0 of the holding contact. When we press this one x0, our y0 will be hold, and this one y0 contact will be hold this our y0, and when we press this x1 our system will be stop. So here we will be take the this, and this time contacts needs to be continue start, means when our main motor will be started and main contactor, so our star contactor will be must be on, and only we have to make the timing between this y1 and y2. y1 will be stop and y2 will be start. So here we will use the close contact of the timer t0. Here we will take this timer, this t0. When this time will be up, after this contact will be changed, and this our t0 will be start this our t2, and here we will take the open contact of the this t0, and click it OK. And this program we will be download into the PLC, and let's test first. Now we will be, this time we will have to be give the time it here, right? For an example, day 0, this we will be give the time, for example 50, and click enter. And this is first we will press the X1 and stop the execution because of this old program is running inside. This is online simulation I'm using, and also I'm using this system for the online editing. If you know like to be online editing, you can this is uncheck mark this one, online edit. After you can make the program, after you can make it online. Okay, this must be understand. When be careful when you like to make the program, don't make in the online edit mode. You have to be offline mode, make the program, and after you will be download, and after you can make the simulation on. So now we write it here 50, we will write this one 50, 100 we will type. This is very slow time, 10 seconds we will be type, and click enter. And now I press the X0, and our Y0 and Y1 is on, you can see. And as our 10 seconds will be completed, our Y1 will be stop and Y2 will be start. You can see now it's changed his contact at this after the 10 seconds. This time you can be change also from the HMI. This is the D0 YI put. If you like to be fixed time, it put it here. You can put the fixed time. How can put? I will now show you. Online edit mode, go to the, and first you have to be stop your PLC, sorry, stop your control, and you can edit this one. Where you type to D0, you can type it here 100. Okay, direct 100. If you know like to be make the changes in the time, and again download the program. And now we will be check. When I press this X0, you can see this is the for 10 seconds after change his contact, 80, 90 and 100. You can see now it's a, this you can be, if you like to be give the comments here, and this is comment how can gives. Already I previous videos already I tell you have to be display the two lines, and no, not on force switch into motor table, element comment. How can gaming? I'm also forget, we have to be check this one in the stop mode, and after when we type copy paste select insert modify this one. Yeah, this is the modify element comment. When you click, after you can give the comments. In the offline mode, in online mode you cannot put the comments. Here we can make the main contactor, MAIN main. When you contactor like to type, you can type no problem, CTER main contactor, and you when click after this comment will be shown. And this we will be type modify the element comment star contactor. Yeah, and this one is your delta contactor. Modify the element comment DELTA delta contactor. And you can see now your comment cells also showing. and here also you can give the contact comment, modify the comment, start, artist start, and this you can give the comment name stop, stop, right? Again you can download this program into the PLC and you can monitor, and one more time you can see this is now it's running. You can stop first, and now again you will start your program. Now y0 and y1 is running, and after the 10 seconds this y1 will be stopped and y2 will be start, right? So hope guys you will be understand about the start delta control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.